All right, welcome traders. This is the weekly review of cable GU. Okay, this is for the 9th to the 12th, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, 9th to the 13th. Okay, so this was this past week. So this was the 9th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so let's have a look what happened. Remember, like I always say, for you to go forward, you first have to go backwards. And as you can see, GU was moving up from a downward trend. So when we got here, it seems like the brakes were put on Friday, similar to EU. Remember the correlation. But when you get in on Monday, something you would have seen is the retest of Friday's high. That was Friday's high. So when you saw this on Monday, it should have given you something to say this is looking like a resistance. Basically, you would have seen this on Monday. It's looking like a resistance, but you still know that it can be broken. Okay, but anyway, when you come back now Tuesday and you see, okay, it's still playing below that line, then you can see something. And Wednesday again still playing, it only broke. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is when the low was broken, because this thing was basically in a range. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it was in a range, and it broke on Thursday and dropped again Friday. Following the downward trend, EU was dropping on these days. The correlation, you can use that, but basically you can see here this range was broken, right? Let's just see what happened here. I'm sure, let's just see if the news did anything on Thursday. Let's see if there was any news for cable on Thursday, right? Thursday this past week. Okay, let's see Thursday, anything for pound or for dollar. Maybe there was something for dollar. Okay, there was something for, I remember that Swiss interest rate decision. Euro later on. Dollar at 3:30, initial jobless claims around 3:30. Let's have a look if there was anything around 3:30. Let me just switch to M15. 3:30 on a Thursday. What did we have? Just before it broke the low. You can see that just before. So you can see this candle was probably a reaction of that news. Earlier on in the day, there was some Swissy news. You'll see that when I do the review of Swiss franc. So basically, pound was in a range, broke that range, and it is still, it's back down at let's go back to H1. It's back at this previous week's low, playing around there, 126.16. okay, so before Monday or early Monday morning, I'll do the predictions video. Now I'm gonna show you, for those who sign up, if you sign up with my recommended broker and make a deposit, send me an email, marketwisetraders@gmail.com, and you will get exclusive content. Now I'm gonna go into the video where you can see the trades which you could have taken this past week. Okay, let's have a look at that now. Okay guys, so let me just put my market maker template on here for pound.